Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect the Mixo AI sites to Google Analytics. Let's get started. First, open the Mixo AI app and log into your account. Then here in the prompt box, enter something like this. You need to describe your business or your service, and you can be specific about your idea that will connect the Mixo AI to Google Analytics. Then, after done typing your prompt, you can now tap Next and set your goal based on your site purpose. You can select collect subscribers or link to site. Then after your site is generated, go to the settings or integration section inside the Mixo AI. And here locate the Google Analytics option and paste your Google Analytics tracking ID. Then after that, you can now save the changes and your Mixo site will now send visitor data to your Google Analytics dashboard. And that's it. That's how you connect the Mixo AI site to Google Analytics. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.